Today I have a very special property for you. This is a French chateau that is actually an Escape to the Chateau DIY Chateau. It was one that was actually on the show. If you're a fan of this, then you know exactly what I'm talking about. Otherwise, it is a awesome British television show. I believe it's Channel 4. And you do need to use a VPN if you are outside of France. I personally use NordVPN to watch this. But this is the Chateau of Paul and Donna. And I put a link in the description box for the Chateau DIY, all their info, and there's a lot more pictures and videos of the chateau and information, as well as the listing. So as you can see, they have done a major renovation on this property. It's absolutely stunning. And also, one of the special things is this chateau is also a tea room. So it's really cool. I know that the current owners, they bake cakes and do treats, and from what I understand, it's a pretty popular little tea room and bed and breakfast. So you would be walking right into a business opportunity if this was the chateau you were interested in. I hope you enjoyed this short little video today. And if you like this video, please hit that like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching.